Every bottle of coconut milk begins with carefully harvested mature coconuts. Only fully matured coconuts are selected for premium coconut milk. Initial grading begins before the fruit leaves the plantation. Efficient handling keeps the harvest moving without delay.
Every shipment is secured for safe transportation.
Fresh coconuts are delivered quickly to preserve their quality. The transformation begins inside a highly controlled production facility. Every shipment is inspected before entering production.
The harvested coconuts now enter the factory processing line.
From this point onward, every step is engineered for food-grade quality. The first factory stage removes dirt and prepares every coconut for processing. Powerful washing systems ensure food-grade cleanliness. Gentle brushing cleans without damaging the shell. Dry surfaces improve inspection accuracy. Computer vision selects only the best coconuts for production. Automation delivers consistent quality before human inspection. Experienced inspectors provide the final quality check. Balanced product flow keeps production running efficiently. A steady supply keeps every machine operating continuously. Now the coconuts enter the heart of coconut milk production. The protective husk is removed with precision before extraction begins. Every coconut is opened carefully to preserve its valuable flesh. Only the fresh white kernel continues to the next stage. Peeling creates the clean, white coconut meat required for premium milk. A final wash prepares the coconut for extraction. Grinding creates the ideal texture for efficient milk extraction. Continuous transfer protects freshness while maintaining hygiene. Controlled blending releases the rich coconut milk naturally. The first separation creates a smooth coconut milk base. Now the coconut milk enters its most advanced processing stage. Homogenization creates the smooth texture consumers expect. Automated control maintains consistent quality around the clock. Carefully controlled heat ensures food safety while preserving flavor. Rapid cooling locks in freshness after pasteurization. Digital automation keeps every stage operating with precision. Sterile storage protects product quality before packaging. Automated sanitation keeps every surface food safe. A sealed transfer system protects every drop from contamination. Buffer tanks guarantee a steady supply for high-speed filling. The final production stages prepare every bottle for consumers. Every bottle receives an exact amount of freshly processed coconut milk. Perfect alignment ensures flawless production. Precision filling guarantees consistency in every bottle. Protecting freshness begins before the bottle is sealed. Every cap is tightened with exact precision. Automated inspection ensures reliable packaging. Accurate labeling completes the product's identity. Every bottle can be traced throughout its production journey. Only flawless products continue to the final stages.
Before reaching consumers, every batch must pass rigorous quality testing.
Every production batch is scientifically verified before release. Precise sampling is the foundation of accurate quality control. Visual inspection confirms the product meets strict appearance standards. Every batch is measured against precise production specifications.
Consistent texture is essential for premium coconut milk.
Strict microbiological testing protects consumer safety. Every package must meet the same high manufacturing standards. Complete traceability follows every bottle through production. Only approved batches move forward to final packaging. The final stage prepares every bottle for delivery around the world. Automation prepares every shipment with speed and precision. Every package is sealed, labeled, and ready for distribution. Robotic precision creates stable loads for global shipping. Protective wrapping secures every shipment during transport. Finished products are safely stored until customer orders arrive. Every shipment is carefully verified before departure. Balanced loading protects every product during transportation.
And this is how modern factories produce coconut milk from start to finish.
Innovation, hygiene, and precision transform fresh coconuts into premium coconut milk. Thank you for watching this complete journey inside a modern coconut milk factory.